Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to Epic Human Rights. Yeah. So we're gonna respect our rights today. So, I think this guy's gonna go tell the cops. Oh, just watch. So the cops are right there behind the van somewhere. Oh, you think he's going, guys, or no? No. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's going. You see something, you say something, right, guys? Don't touch my property. Don't touch my property.
Is it yours?
Don't touch my property.
You want it? You have it. It looked like you dropped your camera. Like, what do you want? Why are you being weird? Is this yours? Okay. Sir, what do you want? Do you want any to leave this? Is this yours?
Drop the camera.
Well, how do I know it's yours?
Drop it. Drop it.
Is it yours? Danny, what do you like? Stop this, man. Would you like your camera?
Drop the camera.
Would you like it back?
Stop being a tyrant and drop the camera.
Dan, you're being weird tonight, man. Yeah, Dan, take your camera, man. I don't want your camera.
Drop the camera.
I'm giving it to you.
No, I'm scared of you. Drop the camera.
Dan, I'm the one that said hit this like button. What are you talking about?
No, you might plant a gun on me or something. One of you anyways.
Dan, you're being stupid. Here.
Stay away from me. Drop it on the ground.
Here.
Anything illegal on you today?
What?
Do you have anything illegal on you today?
I'm not gonna tell you to smash the like button tonight, buddy. We still quiet. Beautiful video, Danny. Beautiful. Here's your camera, Dan. Yes. Doing well. Right there.
Thanks, man. I wanted to see your reaction, but you did good. Thank you.
You're out of
Thanks, bro. You know what? I'm here to catch the bad ones, man.
Last time I saw you, I said smash
Watch
the
out,
like
watch out.
button.
Yeah, but you know what it is? Is I go around and try to get some mean fuckers and some bad guys, but you guys pass. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Not out to get you. Like, grab your camera, man. Walk up to us.
Yeah, but you know what? You know what's fucked up? It's mandatory to put on a mask, right?
Not in public, like this open.
Well, no, I know, but it's mandatory, right? So it's like,
Dan, I got nothing bad against you, but just I don't want you to break your camera.
oh, my camera's fine. It's set there for a reason.
You gotta be a little more stealth too.
No, I do it purposely, man. That's my thing.
Man. Hi, Dan.
Ciao. Anyways, they actually came and harassed me, but that's too hilarious. That's fucking hilarious. So, look how many cops there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. This fucking piece of shit. Come here. What's your problem, man?
What's going on?
What's your problem? Why are you flashing that in my face? I just told them you guys did a good job. You're still gonna turn around and fucking do that to me?
Do what?
Why are you flashing? Why are you breaking my rights?
Somebody's wearing a mask.
Why are you breaking my rights?
Coming to my car.
Oh, so you're the only one getting butthurt.
fast
All these
shit.
officers are good about it, but you're being butthurt about it. What's up? Why are you being butthurt? What's your name and badge number, bro? What is it? So this guy's a fucking tyrant.
Hey, move away
That's
from
what
my
he
car
is.
so I can move.
A tyrant.
Move away from my
You
car.
have plenty of room. Plenty of room. This guy's fucking stopping me from videotaping in public. Guys like this, you see that? That's the reason why I just stopped you today, because of this. Guys like this fucker here, this is why I do this, guys. So this guy just turns around, flashes the light in my camera for no reason, and this guy broke my rights for filming in public.
Safe out there, Daniel.
Can you give me his name and badge number?
No, unfortunately I can't.
What about you? Can you give me his name and badge number? To 3238. The piece of shit drives the 3238.
Have a nice night.
Watch out. Have a good night, goof. You're a piece of shit. Remember that. Officer. Is that redhead?
Huh?
Oh no, okay. Are you the gang member? Take off your hat just for 1 sec. I just want to see. No, you're not him. Okay, never mind. There's another redhead that looks like you. Have a good night, man. Thanks. Well, it's lucky that they didn't plant a gun or drugs or anything on me, right? I'm happy they didn't plant any guns or drugs like they did to the other guys. They planted some drugs, they planted a gun after Gatineau police. Listen, this is what happened. Gatineau police raided this apartment. After they raided it, the Ottawa police went in and said, hey guys, you guys forgot a gun here. And the Gatineau cops didn't really like that, guys. So check this out. It's not gonna be good news, man. Hopefully these cops get really held accountable for their fucking shit, because it's horrible. Well guys, there's a cops. I just went inside the Max Milk to Officer, what's your name? What's your name? I'm gonna get it either way. What's your name?
Step away from my car.
What's that? K. Saint Jean. Ha. K. Saint Jean, his name is, guys. Haha, Officer K. Saint Jean. I got your name now, boy. Anyways, everybody, smash that like button and the subscribe button. Peace.